Hi guys, it's me Stefan
and Benjamin.
Today we're cooking with you chicken barbecue wrap with sweet corn and mozzarella cheese. So let's get into it straight away.
Here we have a very good chicken breast. We have it make sous vide. It's a French technical.
Exactly, it's a French technique. They cook it under vacuum and the temperature is below 100 degrees. And you cook it for 3 to 4 hours. The good thing is under vacuum you will never overcook the chicken, so it stays always juicy. Today we just show you what we're gonna do afterwards. We just put the chicken on the grill or on the pan, wherever you are, just to give it a little bit color. Yeah?
Perfect.
So Benjamin is putting the chicken on the grill. I will start already to cut the onions. Benjamin, Julian?
Yes.
Yeah. So, what we're gonna do with the onions, we will caramelize them as well. Okay, I think it's enough.
We take the onion on the grill and we make a caramel onions. We take a little bit sugar on top. Not so much, a little bit. It gives a very good flavor.
Beautiful. The next step is the sweet corn.
Yes, we take it also on the grill.
Exactly, and I mentioned it is already pre-cooked. So you just put it on the grill to give it a little color, and then we slice it up before we put it into the wrap. Now, secret ingredients, the mysterious barbecue sauce from Chef Benjamin. I don't start how many ingredients it contains, so you have to visit TUI BLUE Montafon and ask the chef by himself. But this is fantastic. We're using this today. If you do it at home, just go to the supermarket. There are so many kinds of different barbecue sauces. Nowadays, no problem. Okay,
perfect.
You can also put one wrap already on the grill. Just a few minutes to give it a little bit color. We flip it around and then we put mozzarella cheese on top. So the cheese gets already a little bit melted. So there we go. A little bit mozzarella. If you like cheese, put a little bit more cheese, no problem. And just leave it for 30 seconds, 1 minute. So you can see already the onion start to caramelize. Just Benjamin has to watch it not to burn it.
You can take the onions when it's finished also on top from the wrap.
Correctly.
And then we take it up.
Beautiful. Okay.
Now we need the corn.
And we put it a little bit aside for the moment because we're still waiting for the chicken. Beautiful. Now, we start with the chicken. Just slice it thin off. As you can see. Look at this, guys. So Benjamin will cut it thin slices.
We take the skin up and can take it back on the grill, and later we have for make the plate a little bit decoration.
Beautiful. You see how shiny the chicken is? So it stays juicy. Beautiful.
We have to grill the chicken, no salt and no pepper. We take the barbecue sauce, and when you take before a little bit salt and pepper, it's too spicy later when you're finished.
Exactly.
With the wrap.
So now the secret sauce of Chef Benjamin. We take around 2 spoons, not too much because it's quite intense in flavors. So start a little bit with less off, taste it, and if you need it, you adjust it a little bit. Here we go. Benjamin, I would say we put a little bit more chicken.
More chicken?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, then I start with the salad topping. This is what we finish. Again, we take a little bit romaine, baby romaine. Exactly. Benjamin, you can taste it once more. So, we slice the romaine, put it into a bowl, a bunch of herbs. Again, we're using the local herbs from the garden in the back of the house.
I take a little bit more from the barbecue sauce inside.
Yeah. Basilikum, we say in German. Little bit of chervil and a few sprigs of coriander. Chop it up, not too fine, just leave it like this. Can you see it, guys? Beautiful. So, little bit olive oil. Okay, no salt, no pepper is needed because again you have this intense barbecue sauce, so I believe it's more than enough. So, and then here we go. Put this on the side. Taking the chicken. Not too much. Okay, the chicken, beautiful Benjamin. The sweet corn, so we slice it also up a little bit. Put it on top. And then the herb mix we did. So here we go. We wrap it. And I would say we give it another minute on the grill to make it nice and warm. And then I would say we are ready for plating. The wrap is nice, warm.
We take on the plate a little bit from the barbecue sauce, and you can take the spoon a little bit on the side and take it.
Okay, on the wrap you take the ends off. If you want, at home it doesn't matter actually, so you just keep it as it is. Give it a nice cut. Front, beautiful. And from the leftover salad mix, herb mix, a little bit for garnish. Here we go.
Perfect.
So guys, and here we go.
Give it auf.
That's it. There are the crispy chicken skin. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the quick chicken barbecue wrap. Subscribe, give us a like. If there are any questions, leave us a comment below, and see you next time.
Bye.